Hi, I'm Gianna Buchanan, Senior Product Hardware Manager at Code Corporation. We're here to tell you that as of April 5th of this year, we have moved our CR7020 line to an end-of-life status. And in its place, we're bringing out the 7020 series. And great news, it's going to be at the same price points as the 7018s. There's 4 important things that you need to know that we've made some great improvements. The first one is that we have enhanced the data pass-through. The 7020 now allows for bidirectional data pass-through. Second, the home button is now a little easier to push, and it is made of a stronger, more rugged material so that it will not fail under any normal or reasonable usage. Third, we have better form, fit, and function. This now allows for much easier removal of the phones once it's been in the case. And the last thing is that with some improvements in battery life on phones, we have a new option for you called a battery blank. You can insert a battery blank instead of an actual battery into the case, which makes it a lot lighter and easier to carry around and put into scrub pockets. So to learn more about the 7020 series, contact your account manager for Code, and have a great day.